Alright, Fanatics, here's what I got so far. So, had a really rough idle, car was shaking at start, replaced the lower and upper intake boot, still had a really rough idle, have all those error codes, 4 cylinders misfiring and lean mixture. So what I've done so far is I've taken all the parts of this PCV out except for the PCV itself and this tube right here. And I noticed while taking some of these tubes off that they're honestly not in that bad of shape. They're still flexible. There's no apparent holes that I can see. And for example, this I believe is the dipstick to CCV tube, and honestly, I mean, it's fine, or it feels fine. It's still very flexible, not at all deteriorating like some of the posts that I've seen I should be expecting. So I'm thinking perhaps this was already done by the previous owner. No idea how long ago that would be, since whoever the previous owner was didn't take that great care of the car. So yeah, those are the hoses. Here's my Disa. Obviously pretty dirty. I'm not sure if that's enough to cause a bunch of engine misfires, but the butterfly is still, the spring in the butterfly is still very strong, and it does create a suction through this hole when the butterfly is twisted. So I mean, I'm planning on cleaning that, but any input onto whether that would actually cause a misfire would be fantastic. And then here's the airflow sensor. I think this is the mass airflow sensor. I actually haven't looked, so I might be a total retard right now. But I've heard that can get dirty, but I mean, I don't see anything even resembling dirt inside it, except for maybe some dust. Again, I don't know if that's enough to cause rough idling and for engine misfires. So we got this, a little bit of oil on the edges. I'm not sure if that's normal, to be honest. And then I believe this is the idle control valve. Again, it doesn't looks like it's got a little bit of deposit inside it, but again, I'm not sure how much is enough to cause the rough idling and everything. So I mean, obviously I'm going to clean this stuff out, but my main question is there a way to test these tubes and the PCV once I take it out, or if I should take it out, rather than, you know, keeping the $170 I just got from BMW and putting it in there. If it's not bad, is there a way to test it so that I could probably return the other stuff and spend the money on whatever is wrong? Here's the inside of the intake. Really dirty. Again, not sure if that's enough to cause misfires or if that can be cleaned out or how to clean it out. Haven't gotten that far into the research yet. So again, any input would be awesome.